Hey guys, so in this video I want to take a look at my new vacuum flask. This is the 2-liter version. The large capacity vacuum flask from Tomakeit allows you to keep hot things hot, hot liquids hot, and cold liquids cold. So it is made out of double-walled stainless steel. It keeps the liquids hot or cold for over 24 hours. And it has like a nice convenient button to pour out the liquids. And then it also comes with some tips on how to extend the time of our liquids to stay hot or cold. And then there's also some information on how to keep our flask clean and functional for a long time. Okay, so now let's open up the package and see what we find inside. So first you have here a nice bottle brush. So that's actually a nice surprise. I didn't expect that to be in there. So this will help us keep our stainless steel vacuum flask nice and clean inside as well as outside. Then we have here this pamphlet showing us the rest of the lineup from Tomakeit, all the other products, as well as the instructions, user manual for this vacuum flask. Now let us have a look at the flask itself. You can see the packaging is pretty good, so everything should be protected during shipment. You can see here the stainless steel outside. The top is plastic, the bottom where the liquid is inside, everything here is the double-walled stainless steel, very nice. The lid here has the button mechanism to push down, really simple to pour out our liquids. You see the top end is actually also some stainless steel on top to make it look really good. So it's not just all plastic on top. Then we open up the flask by just rotating it 360 degrees counterclockwise one time, and then we can remove here the entire lid. You can see here the button mechanism. When you push the button, then this piece here pops open, and that allows us to pour out our liquids. You can see here there's two gaskets here, two seals. So that should be relatively easy to clean, I think. I don't think I can disassemble this anymore. Maybe I can remove one of the seals. This big seal probably can be removed in order to clean everything properly. And then let's have a look inside. You see here, this is here the double-walled stainless steel, and that keeps everything hot or cold, supposedly for 24 hours. Actually, I do believe that's actually more. We can get more time out of that. So now here we have our bottle brush. You can see, try this out really quickly. Makes it really easy and convenient to clean everything in case we have something in there that left stains or anything. Okay, so now let's see how well this vacuum flask functions. How long does it keep liquids hot or cold? So I am living here in a very hot climate, so I'm going to make some iced water. I'm going to see how long does this stay cold or cool. I'm going to put in some ice cubes. So I have here this ice cube tray, which makes some really big ice cubes. Those unfortunately don't fit into the opening, since the opening isn't that big. It's about 5 centimeters across. So I'm going to have here, I have here some other ice cubes, some smaller ones that I'm going to fill up in here. And then on top of that, I'm going to put just some regular water. This is not chilled water. This wasn't in the fridge. It's just regular warm water. In this case here is about 25 degrees Celsius. Let's fill this up here. And since this is not chilled water, I'm not going to expect the ice cubes to still breathe here in 24 hours, since the water is just going to liquefy them really relatively quickly. So at this point we can still see here the ice cubes floating in there. And these now have to cool down our warm water first. So if you wanted to really have the cold water for the longest time, for a very long time, then I would put in some water from the fridge. But in this case here, I'm just using some regular bottled water that I have sitting outside. Okay, so now to give this vacuum flask a little bit of a challenge. This is now not 24 hours later, but already 36 hours later. So 50% later, longer. 12 hours longer than expected. So let's open up this flask. Let's take a look. Of course, the ice cubes melted already, so those are not left. I didn't expect those to still be here. because of the warm water. So now let's pour some of that water here into our glass. You see how really easy that is. You're going to tip the flask a little bit, push the button, the water comes out. And then when we taste it, the water is still nice and cool and refreshing. And you can also see this on the side, on the outside of the glass. There's still a lot of condensation here. So that indicates that the water, you can really see that the water is still nice and cool. And that's still the case even after 36 hours of filling our flask here. So it exceeded the 24 hours by at least 50%. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful here about the Tomakeit stainless steel flask. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.